Hi everyone, my name is Maxim and I am 6 years old. I'm from Czech Public Speaking. This is my story. The Three Little Pigs. Once upon a time, there lived three little pigs who were brothers. They decided to build their own houses. First, the eldest pig built his house out of straw. It's light and easy to get from anywhere. The second pig built his house out of wood. A tree can build a strong enough house. But the youngest pig started to pile up the bricks. I am going to build a house out of bricks. It will take a long time and effort. It will be worth it. The eldest and second pig finished building their house and laughed at the youngest. Look at him, he's still building his house. Eventually, the youngest pig finished building his house. Then one day, a large hungry wolf came into the village and headed to the youngest pig's straw house. Little pig, let me in. Not by the hair of my teeny tin tin. Then I will huff, and I will puff, and I will blow your house away. The straw house flew away, destroying the house. The eldest pig rushed to his brother's wooden house. The wolf followed him. Little pig, let me in. Not by the hair of my teeny tin tin. And I'll huff, and I'll puff, and I'll blow your house away. The wooden house fell apart. So the two piggies rushed to their youngest brother's brick house. Little pig, let me in. Not by the hair of my teeny tin tin. And I'll huff, and I'll puff, and blow your house away. But the brick house did not shake at all. So the wolf then jumped into the chimney to get into the house. The youngest pig lit a fire under the chimney. The wolf burnt to death. So the three piggies live in the brick house happily ever after. Moral of the story: hard work and dedication pay off in the long run and will keep you safe. Thank you.